Thank you for choosing Regional IT Services, where your tech troubles find the perfect solutions, where we believe in a customer-first approach. Whether you're a small business, a home user, or just someone in need of tech support, we're here to provide personalized solutions that fit your unique needs. No matter the challenge, we've got you covered. Our services include virus removal, data recovery, network solutions, remote support, hardware repairs, website design and development, domain registration and hosting solution, service, voice over IP services or small business loans, and much more. We're equipped to handle all your information technology needs with the expertise you can trust. With over 20 years of experience, a dedicated team, and a commitment to excellence, we're not just another IT service provider, we're your partners in technology, ready to experience hassle-free computer support technology. Well, visit us at www.regionalitservices.com or call us at 214-438-0038. Let's make technology work for you.